Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to control two servo motors with a joystick using an Arduino. We will pass through all you need to make this project, component required, wiring process and coding process. Let's start. Now let's see our code for the Arduino. First we add a servo library. Here we define our servos. Then we define the joystick pin, analog pin. Here my joy X is connected to A0 and joy Y is connected to A1. This function here is a variable to read the values from the analog pins. In the void section, here we define the digital pins where our servo are connected. So here my servo Y is connected to pin 9 and servo X to pin 10. In loop section, here to read joystick value from our analog input for joy X. Analog receive value between 0 and 1023. According to this value, it send command to the servo to move in a specified angle or position between 0 and 180 degree or 0 and 360 degree. This is depend on your servo angle. And here the same for joy Y.